Okay, so when you click on card, when you log in, click on card, you will see something like this. Something like this will come up. Now here is we have visual card and a physical card. This one is still on visual card, and what we want to talk about is physical card, how you can manage it, things you can do there. Okay, so now you tap on physical card. So see the physical card here. If you want to see the details, your card number, you can click here, this show details, everything will show. So for managing the card, you have to go to card setting. Okay, card setting. Then the first one is set transaction limit. Here you can set the amount you can withdraw with your card from your account daily. This is where you set it. Okay. So the first one is ATM, and the daily limit is 500k. So with OPay ATM card, you can withdraw up to 500,000 daily in any pure ATM machine. Now you can reduce it if you like, so that somebody will not use it. Okay, even though somebody want to withdraw it, the person may not be able to withdraw huge amount of money at a time for in a day, something like this. You can reduce it to any amount that you like. The same thing goes to POS. POS is 5 million. You can also reduce it to any amount you like. Okay. Now, this one is web daily limit, which is online transaction. Okay, you can still reduce it to any amount you like. Okay. Now you click on save. Go to ATM machine. You will not withdraw more than 25,000 naira in a day until you come back here and increase it. That's how it works. Same thing goes to the POS machine. So you know withdraw more than 250,000 naira from any POS stand in a day unless you come here and increase it. The same thing goes to online transaction. Okay, I believe you understand this one now. You can go back. Now manage card pin. Here you manage card pin for those who normally they are used to forget their pin. You click here. Let me say you want to change it or you want to check the pin. Now here you can easily check your pin and see it if you somehow you forgot it. Okay, you can come here and check it. You decide to change it. You just come here and click change card pin. Now let's start with the first one, which is check card pin. You click on it. So when you click on it, they will ask you to do face verification. Now you click on start. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to check my own. So you click on it. The reason why they are asking you to do this is for security purposes. Okay, let it not be that somebody logged into your account. No, I try to impersonate you to get the pin, your card information, something like that. So that's why you need to do face verification before now they will show you the card pin, your pin. You can now recover it. Okay, that's how this one works. So let's just go back. Okay, now this one is change card pin. Go to change card pin. Now when you go to change card pin, they are asking me to enter the set card pin. So here now you enter the 4-digit pin you want to use for your card pin or ATM. So now you enter it. Mind you, some just like I clicked on this change card pin and they brought this thing out for me to enter the new pin. When you want to do your own, they might ask you to do face verification or send an OTP to the phone number. So you complete it, okay? Then you enter the pin you want to use. Just enter the pin. Come back here for confirmation, enter the same thing, then and click confirm. Then if you click confirm, they can send you the OTP or ask you to do another face verification. Fine, you just complete it. It will the pin will be changed Okay, now you click on block card. You can block your card temporarily from here. If something happened and you decide to block it so that the card will not be in use again till you unblock it, right? So what you do is just to come here and block it. Remember, you can still come back and unblock it. Yeah, you select the reason why you want to block it. Maybe card um card stolen or lost. You choose card stolen or lost. Click confirm. Now you now block this card. So when you click block, when you block this card, you will not be able to withdraw from it again. You will not be able to do online transaction again with it with the card. You will not be able to do anything again. So maybe somewhere you lost it, you somehow you forgot where you kept it. You just come here and look the account. So you don't need to be afraid. You don't need to be running up and down. Hey, where is Opay office? Listen. So Opay is a fintech company. What they are trying is, we have if sometimes before you do something here, this country, you need to go to bank, our commercial bank. You need to go there, stand. You understand? Stand for hours before they will attend to you. Sometimes after standing there for many hours, they will tell you that there's no network. So this one is not like this. You will use your hand and control your account. Do everything there on your own. Okay, so you lost somebody stole your bag or stole the ATM card. You don't need to be run up and down. Just do something like this. You lost the card. Come here and block the card. Nobody, nothing again can happen to this. Then nobody can use it and withdraw. All right, so let's continue. Then cancel card. Note that this when you block your card, let me correct something. When you block your card, you can still come back. Maybe you didn't see it when you were looking for it. After a while, you now recover the card. You can still come back here and unblock it and start using the card. Okay, you can come back and start unblock it and start using the card. Now, so blocking the card doesn't mean that it's totally off from your account. No. When you recover the card, when you see it, you can still come back, unblock it, and start using the card. But when in a situation where you want to delete the card entirely from your app, from your account, it will not exist. Your account again is this. You click on cancel card. Cancel card. Now, this cancel card means that the card will be out from your account. So it's as if that you don't have any card again. Do you understand? So you will still select reasons why you want to cancel it, remove it. It's not cancel this cancel here just to delete it, remove it entirely from your account. So you can select this the reason. It can be card stolen or lost, confirm, then click. I understand that canceling cards cannot be recovered. Canceling this one, canceling, but that blocking of card, you can block it and then come back unblock it. But this one, you just totally cancel it, like remove it entirely from your account. Okay. Or you click this one, they say block instead. So block instead, they will take you back to that place I just explained now. Have you seen it? So a card issuer. Now you want to, when you get a card, when you get a card, when you get a card, you will see the information of the person that gave you the card. Okay, like this one now. When you click on this card issuer, you'll be able to see the information of the person that registered the card for you. So that is how it's being done. So you see the person that issued the card to you. Here, dispute is where you can log a complaint concerning your failed transaction. Maybe in a situation where they debited you and but the transaction was not successful. So the POS attendant didn't give you a cash. In a situation like this, you just log into your account, come to your card, click on this dispute. Okay, when you click on this dispute, the transactions will appear. That free transaction will appear here. You will see it here immediately. You will see it here. So what you do is just to click on that transaction and log a dispute. When you log the dispute, it usually takes about 48 hours to be reviewed. Okay. Now, if the money is still with OPay, they will reverse the money back to your account. But if the money have moved to the POS attendant bank, they will still notify you so that you will know the next step to take. That's all. It's very easy and simple. I believe this is the most important information you need to know about managing your card in your OPay account. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification button